Maka chem say. Wala wo Kennedy Agyapong no campaign no. NDC for na di na chi. So wo hu obi a oboje no so Kennedy dodo na NDC for. Na mu ka say meboa. Mo wi asoro ha. Bon ne NDC ni bia twira beto ho no. Zunzum. Ya Zunzum mafia. A o ye Kennedy Agyapong activist e wo social media. Share NDC for we wa ho. Yen yi omun di o. Bisa Alankash. Sa na mo ya Alankash, se Alankash ba NDC for kwa e beto ama no Alankash ko independent o ya sen. Se hona wo Kennedy Agyapong fi say NDC for no youth no don nya NPP ntira. So ya wona wo ka. Se nya NPP ntira mo don na. Wonja no ko independent. Na yenhwe. Se obanya sa vote na. Na yenhwe. Se obetimi awin ya. Ade na mo kasa sa. Hwe. NDC for. E ka tell say wo de Kennedy ba o mato ama no na waje adi. Hwe. Yo. Wadwin na yo. Se wo san de blame e ma Nanado se wa say party no na wa kwakota na fie. Se wa hu. Wo asin Santa ho no ma wo ka say ona bo Kennedy Agyapong o win onu na mo to abama no. Hwan na ma Kennedy ye Kennedy. NPP apan na ma Kennedy ye Kennedy. Me ka kiro. Without NPP aban no, Kennedy is nothing. Without NPP, Kennedy is nothing. Nka onya hwe. Why? Inti se Kennedy, se sika no de ma omo, se den no ye omo to abama no was central. NPP aban na ma oyesa no ma. Wo ka se NPP aban nya hwe e ma asin central. Nde na wona bo Kennedy Agyapong na abon. Because NPP betana so no pumtu ko so even NDC for kura ko na do hoko bo na baso se eda na ase se oboa omoma omonya pumtu e wo ma mpeso aso na se Kennedy Agyapong wo ye NPP MP na wantima antwi pumtu anfa anko asin central dia na ona bo Kennedy na bon man ko blame NPP apan se wanya hwe ama asin central why na wasa wo tweko enya wono samni bi wo kan na wa hwe ye me se ona bo Kennedy Agyapong fi se okwa independent na oba win ya enye NPP ntina omoto abama se wona wo se youth no Kennedy ntina omoto abama no enye NPP ntina onko independent na yanhwe wona onjai na onko independent na yanhwe se wonya last kora wa win last one no se wonya kora wa win no NDC for na woni ko to omo se omoto abama wona bo yo yate ye twen no
Ebusuyemo wakaba biom Fambra Ghana and Sem TV so. Do you believe that Kennedy Agyapong supporters, almost half of them are NDC people? Ujidi say Kennedy Agyapong supporters no. Do not know NDC for now because this is what some of the people have been saying, especially NPP for. A lot of the NPP people have been saying that come here, Kennedy Agyapong call for no do not know NDC for. And I've been hearing this from a lot of people. When you open an account, people be I can't ask them no. Sometimes I sit down and ask myself that could it be true? So what these people are saying no, in Ukraine. And I've been doing some investigations to find out that what they have been telling us no, ampa in Ukraine and answering in Ukraine. And through the investigations no, I found out one or two things that make video back show about a comment someone made. And that person, no, used to Kennedy Agyapong as a profile or TikTok, right? Now, comments na o make it, no. Say we should have video now. A bit positive mind. You would ask yourself that then if that's the case, then it means these people are just trying to play with our minds, like what they did in Akwetia. Now, before I'll come to what happened in Akwetia and explain things to you for you to understand the reason why people are saying that. Don't trust the NDC people, no. But before that, I want us to go and watch this video. This person claiming to be Kennedy Agyapong supporter saying something different in someone's comments, and that is when Obetia said the reason why people are saying that a lot of these people saying I'm connected. No, a lot of them are NDC supporters. You would understand the reason why people. Okay, so Busuya, me my own check. Send me waste two time. No, you can share that video, no bra. The area. me cheche video no match yo maka kire so mo connected no do na ye NDC for na ye ka be feel say bia kan Agyapong no na bia yen person be lead party nyesa wo se mo mistake mo NDC for etusu candidate e dia ma NPP now hwe comment we hwe nipa no e din di Alive Ghana ni DP wan kan Agyapong na di DPO e na akọ comment wo won sa viral video bi na ye trendy a bonofo ne se mo nu ho na NDC father adam no no akọ kire wase say if you don't vote for NDC, we the Ashanti will vote for them to retain power. Massa go and sleep. Tio, the people no see what you can nipo did can actually ni deep you know. Actual comment section as I say. Sabuno for the say send this other dom to more. Omo a year Asante for no. Better me NDC. I'm NDC about power. But this person no educated Japan at ni DP. And to be people life so. Abekasa de tia ba umia ni akufuado. Who can nipa junior will say or you nipa nti or can be mount not knowing so you NDC ni or hide the name Kennedy Japan no and or deceive you because when say mama agenda ni nyina say mbaka say tia ba omi and ka say tia ba omi a automatically no ka say tia NPP party no and edwum be ye in the past 8 years omo be den omo ba ban mu no and the mom say a lot of you people are not seeing that thing in no they are hiding behind me ye ken ni no and they are deceiving you people. They are deceiving you people. So what you say? So this person over back end and the DP. Who second then DP na no pick no. Now attending kasa no can be ma no can never boyen ba omia de onye ba omia de onye. Then you feel like oh e onipa not knowing say NDC ni. Not knowing say NDC ni. And I've been telling you guys this thing say this connected people no. A lot of them are not NPP. I know a lot of them. And this is an example. This is an example of comment or post that's 2 days ago. But this person will come and you will believe, say, NPP ni, and he's fed up with the NPP and he wants Kennedy Agyapong to lead the party. I don't have a problem with Kennedy Agyapong leading the party. But I'm telling you that a lot of the people that are connected no, are not our party members. They are not patriots. They are not our patriots. They are not our fellow patriots. They are NDC people and hiding behind Kennedy Agyapong just to deceive you, the people now we are working in Japan for to believe say there are people who like or who loves Kennedy Agyapong to lead their party, not knowing that they are NDC people. We've been telling you people we love Kennedy Agyapong and we wish that he could lead the party. But I'm just telling you that you people should be very cautious of whatever you guys are doing and make sure say nipa mbe pekeno nipa mbe adding to groups anyway you know the person very well so NPP ni and so everybody can answer about to the DP no fan because these people have been sent to come and deceive us to do something that ebema yankasa ne benu ye say make that decision and this should send a warning, a signal to every NPP member say enyo obi a obaba be ka kire say yenko nyina no e na ope we obi won ma ope wako no wakwa de akwakoku meeting at the promise. Now, I will show one video I will share. I hope say it was explained for you to understand. But let me explain further. So, if what you are now saying, there is this lady from Puno, Doma, specifically Doma, who came out when she was saying that NDC had that now during 2024 elections, no, they were told that Asante, Hine, NPP like. When MPP is in government, Asante in power no 2 million kosro. So they should vote for NDC, and when the NDC bar, they will make sure say domain in 2 million no Asante in the embedding ebeyepe. And that's the reason why the MPP lost for the first time that domain honum. And lost a lot of their seats. I think we don't even have seats in Bono. I think there are 12 seats in that we lost to the NDC. Now, fast forward, we are in 2025. NDC is in government. Still, Ashanti is dominating. So they were like, what are you trying? Did you people lie to us? Like, what are you doing, Grana? You understand? So they were asking questions like, no. Something is wrong. Like, it seems like something is wrong somewhere. So they wanted to understand what exactly is going on. You get me? What exactly is going on? Because how is this possible? And people were like, Not just say the election of 2024 no NPP no lose you know. It had nothing to do with policies, ne financial crisis, ne the near. It was tribal something like you don't. I say the reasons why people voted against the NPP, you know, like one case out here, you'll be shocked. You ask yourself questions like and all you know, it's gonna bust your mind. Like you'll be like, bro, then if this is the case, then it doesn't make sense, right? Yes. And these are some of the reasons why they actually voted against the NPP. I've been telling people. So under that video, and this alive guy, you know, the guy using Agyapong's DP went under that video's comment section, and a commenter say, so I'm going to say I'm on some farmer NDC bioma or no Asante for, like he is trying to say he's an Asante, and him and his people, because I know we Asante are not going to vote for NDC, but no are going to vote for the NDC. So I was like, bro, you claim that you support Agyapong. So why are you not saying that you are going to vote for Agyapong and the NPP, but rather you are going to vote for the NDC? That is where I actually realized that this thing that people have been saying, that a lot of people doing connected no, are Agyapong's people. From that video is when I realized that what these people have been saying is true, and it has been true from the onset. It has been true. Because how can you tell me that you support Agyapong, but you are saying that if the Bunu people are not going to vote for the NDC, you and your people are going to vote for the NDC, whilst on your profile you claim to be supporting Agyapong. Agyapong is not a member of the NDC. You understand? Because it busts your mind, right? That is where you realize that these people are just trying to mislead the NPP people to do something that they are going to regret later. And I'm telling you. Now, let me tell you what happened in Akwatia. You remember when Akwatia Fokoye, our current MP-elect, Bernard Beiduno, they came out and were saying that they were going to vote against him because normal pe Asanka, that man called Asanka, and Oman Toman Wakakotoma Bernard Beiduno. So they were going to vote against the Bernard Beiduno, normal Toma MPP in Owu, Solomon Asumedu, right? You remember that video? I even posted it here. Remember? Yeah. Fast forward, on the day that we were voting, what happened? Did they vote for Asumedu? No. In fact, the vote margin they got in 2024 went up, and the one of the NPP came down. So, what shows that they actually liked your candidate, but they made you believe that they were going to vote for you. So, you didn't even bother yourself to campaign because in your mind, oh, Merini. And that's how they do it. Or someone will say, oh, don't waste your time. You better try my Merini. Now, what for cheap? No matter we could to a bearing, a way to what. That is how they do it. And they know you were going to fall for it. They know that you were going to fall for it. And that is what they are doing currently. So we are a patriot, we are MPP here. But we need that honor. Men Casamen got 2 more candidates, not 2 more candidates. But making sure as a member of B and manipulate you while brought them Nipanumpo ye. Unim Nipani ye. Don't let that person come and manipulate you. Maybe I would know. Sutina on one to Abano, there will be a war. Send a bear party, the bit me you will be waiting to me. It might because ye breu. Ye bre. Shame fat. I'm telling you. Yes, Ramon. Delegates for no mamma mistake. Namon conquer to buy baby a benuya. Montuni Abamani pa, the bit with Nako pre to me in 2028. And that person, everybody knows that it is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It was made us to Bossy, and I'll show you. Mr. Say, wait me, follow me. Our Facebook, I promise the blogger. TikTok, I promise the blogger. Who we are subscribed to the channel, a year, Ghana and Sam TV, for my now making sure say, Bibia Bay Kama, me page in so, I'll bet him in so, akakọ follow na wɔn a lot of news a ɛkɔ so nti busua bɛda wɔn so nyam to wɔn ase na ɔyɛ dɛ utie.